Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, near the end of February 2020, it's been a great month trading wise, apart from last week, where we took our first real losing week of 2020. But all good, it's part of the game. And just before we get into this week's signal, if you're new to the channel or new to my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. You can stay up to date with my latest educational videos and weekly free trade alerts. Okay, so as always promised, we're going to give you a signal this week that I think will be a very high probability of working out in our favor. And this week's signal will be on the British pound Swiss franc. Okay, so you can see at the minute we're on the charts here. We are on the weekly time frame. Okay, we're also more or less at the Brit exit level here, and also we've had a couple of failures at this level here. You can see these highs. Okay, a few times it's hit here and came back down, so I'm expecting a drop from here next week. So I am, and basically you can see here it's come up last week and tested here. We are high up, and if we look at the MACD divergence indicator that we use, okay, see we've actually started getting divergence signals on the daily charts inside this weekly kind of trading zone. Okay, so it's a very high probability that we're going to get a drop here. Okay, it's going to drop pretty nicely. So I am expecting next week, early next week, and maybe pop up maybe 10 to 50 pips, depending, and then drop straight back down. Okay, so the entry we're looking at this week will be, look at the charts here. We're selling the British pound Kiwi at $2.0430. Stop loss is at 2.056 and take profit at 1.99. Okay, so just put that here and sell GBPNZD at 3. Stop loss 0.56. And always remember, it's very important to control your risk when trading. Okay, so on these kind of positions, we risk a max of 0.5% across an asset. So even if it's 130 pips, we use a pip calculator to calculate the actual trade size. Okay, and the max is going to be 0.5% of our account. Okay, don't be trading 4 or 5% per trade. Control your risk, and you'll stay in this game. You stay in the trading game longer. Stop loss is at 1.99, and that's the trade there. So it is. So you can pause your video now. Sell British pound Kiwi at 2.043. Stop loss at 2.056. Take profit at 1.99. Okay. It's looking like a very, very nice setup for next week. It's lining up nicely, especially with the divergence signals happening on the daily charts. Okay, we've had 3 nice ones here. It's popped up a little higher, so I'm expecting this to start selling off pretty drastically. And looking at the other pound pairs, the pound does look like it is going to weaken over the course of this year, especially with trade negotiations with Europe ongoing. So that's the trade this week. Sell British pound Kiwi. We have around 20 other setups this week. You can see here across all different currency pairs, also gold, and expecting a big week in the markets. Very, very profitable. So if you want to get involved with our signals, okay, just remember we guarantee that you will make a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days or we'll simply refund you your money, and that's ironclad. Okay, so we're probably our only service out there that does that. Guarantee that you'll make money with our signal service, or we'll simply refund you your subscription fee. So you can join the service by clicking the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. And yeah, happy trading and have a great week. Thank you.